Kvitova is the best evolution of this women tennis, possible evolution, is the best one?
Well, right now she's riding a big wave. She was in the semis here last year, and now she's top 10, and she's still improving. And I've been saying all along that the next wave of players will become better all-around players, and they'll come to the net more. They'll put the volley away, and she's doing that. She's moving forward. She looks to move forward. She's not just going, east-west. She's looking to go north. So it's nice to see that. I'd like to. I think that's the next step.
How do you see her faring against Sharapova?
I think she could match up. I think she matches up very well. That lefty serve. I mean, she curved a few in there today, and it was beautiful. I think for Petra, I think the key's always been to minimize the streaks of bad play. She's very streaky, which is good on the good side, but she's been able to do that for the most part. I thought she was reliving the French Open when she was up 3-11 in the third against Li Na, lost 6-3, and today she had a little bit of a hiccup in the third set and played a horrible second set, but she recovers. She hit such a heavy ball, so I think she can match up very well. I think she will return better than Lisicki did today against Maria.
A Wimbledon final without Venus or Serena is a rarity these days. How important is it for the women's game that there's been a changing of the guard this year, and that Maria has re-emerged and Petra's made it through the final?
Well, it's been a strange year because we've had kind of older players coming through. The French Open, Maria was the youngest semi-finalist. Here she's the oldest. So it's like, maybe this is the changing of the guard. Maybe this is the new blood coming in. I mean, the Germans have three really good players coming through, and now Kvitova and Azarenka. I think she's going to be a force. Sam Stosur, a little bit of a disappointment this year, but potentially also. So yeah, I think we're seeing the new players taking charge, and most of all, they're playing to win. That's what I like to see. They're not scared out there. They're playing forceful tennis. So yeah, it's it always it happens eventually, but I wouldn't write off Serena Williams quite yet. I think Venus is 2 years older, and it gets harder after 30. I know that very well, but I think Serena will still be back.